Hi everybody, Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this 1972 Chevy Chevelle two-door hardtop. It's a cloned SS powered by a 350 TH350 Trans 10-bolt rear end with a 355 cruising gear. Four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, power steering. Nice upgraded 17-inch wheel boss in front with a Boss 18-inch wheel package as well in the back. It's got upgraded gauges, B&M shifter. Real nice sounding car. Driver quality. Look at that stance. Paint still has a good shine with some flaws in it, and I'll go through it. But it's priced right, and not many flaws, but you'll see. Look how straight. Vinyl top's in great shape. Got a great look. Triple black, white painted on the stripes. Let's get up and personal on this baby. Front chrome bumper and lights are good. Grille, good shape all the way around. All your turn signals are working. Brake lights, all. Lines up. A couple little chips and stuff in it. Nothing major. Front fender's in good shape, no real flaws. Little tiny paint flaws I see. Disc brakes in the front, lines up well. It's a little off here on the bottom, but that's it. For a quarter. Is good, no stories. Light, your wipers are working. Your front glass has one tiny little star in it, and it's been, not even a star, it's been filled. You could barely see it, but it's there. All the chrome around the windshield is good. All your driver glass is good, and passenger glass as well. Your rear window's in good shape. All the chrome around there as well is good. Couple flaws in the paint back here. Like I said, driver quality, but nice driving car. Brakes well. Rear bumper's in good shape. Trunk lines up well. Oh, I forgot to take a look at this back wheel. Rear wheel, Boss, disc, dual exhaust, headers. Nicely clean underneath. I've taken a bunch of photos. Original quarter here on the passenger side. Wheel in good shape, brakes, top, no real paint flaws there. Door lines up well with the quarter. And the fender lines up well all the way throughout. Back seats have the seat belts. Good shape. All your panels, door panels, good shape. Got 6x9s in the back. Your headliner's got like an embossed Chevy SS thing with a flame. Really nice little aftermarket setup there. Door panel is good all the way throughout, all the way down in there. All your weather stripping's in excellent condition. Front seats, good shape. Buckets. Little B&M shifter. Aftermarket GT wheel. 57,527 miles on it. Your dash pad is good. Don't have to do anything there. Sun visor's intact. Your front seat belts are intact. Your dashboard's good. Radio's not turning on. I'm sure it's just a wire or something. Give you something to do. Check out the trunk. It's really nice as well. All your trunk weather stripping's good. Nicely done, solid in here. No spare tire. Let's fire your Black Beauty up. All your gauges are working. Sounds good. It's got a great stance. '72 triple Black Chevelle. So if you're looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now. Minimum 10% down, 84 months, good rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, good rates, approval within 24 hours, up to 84 months. If you need quotes on shipping enclosed or open anywhere in the United States, you could contact me by a text or a phone call at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We have over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our photos, description, pricing, and video are online. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2. By appointment only. If you have any questions on any of our cars, get an appointment. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Hope you enjoy it.